Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'll teach you how to find the highest and lowest numbers of a list in Python. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to start off first, we need to create a file ending in .py. I've created my file as order_number.py. After that we need a list to work with. So we'll create a list. For me, I've created a list of primes. If you want to find out how you can find out primes with Python, you can check my previous video, which I'll link. After that, we'll create a function and we'll add these two variables. So how the program works is that it will go through each number of the list, and if it finds a number lower than minimum, it will make that number the minimum, and if it finds a bigger number than max, it will keep that number as max. So this is the for loop to iterate through the list. So here you can see that if it finds a number bigger than what the variable is, which is 0, 0th index is 2. So if there is a number bigger than 2, it will make that number the variable of max. Same for a minimum, but you can see here there is an equal to sign. So basically, if it finds a number, if it finds no number, we want to also make sure it doesn't skip over this. So we've added this, and it will make that value minimum, and then we'll print it all.